So we just got back from Eid and I want to do get ready with me for TikTok. I recently just restarted my TikTok. This word is a facade because why will you be doing get ready with me for Eid after coming back from Eid prayers? Does that make sense? And I made chin chin yesterday. So today, I don't know. I want to do either samosas or cupcake, depending on if I get the wraps right. If not, I might not even do anything again because I don't like as I usually bake. And I honestly don't think my vlogs are interesting, so that's why I'm really demotivated to make vlogs. And what else is happening today? I don't really know. Also, I forgot to mention the scarf of this my clothes. We can't find it because my mom is the one that made the clothes and she just finished it this morning. So almost, I can say that 9% of the clothes I wear for Eid are always halfway done and wear to Eid, or they were done that day. So I did not like the clothes at first, but now I think I do because I found a veil that matches. What do you think? Is it beautiful? Maybe when I'm more relaxed, I would make a proper video of my outfit. So. Okay, oh my god. Okay, I just got back from helping my mom in the kitchen. I'm making a video.
Are you making a video?
Delete it! You want to spoil my beautiful family? Is it my beautiful family? Okay, so I just got back. I don't know, I'm not doing anything. I'm just lying down in the bed. So we're cooking. My mom is cooking jollof rice, so we just eat. So I don't think she's going to give anybody food now. Maybe later in the evening or tomorrow. And I'm yet to do the samosas I talked about. I don't know if it's samosa or cupcake. It's gonna be either of the two. And then there's right. I don't remember again. I'm just relaxing. There's light, so the AC is on. Alhamdulillah. So, do you know that normally I'm not always happy on Eid day, but this year I don't know. I feel a bit excited. Maybe it's this 20s that is happening to me because everything that has happened since I've been 20 on the day I always find it different and I'm always more happy. See, I'm just saying nonsense. You know that I'm tired. So, bye. Okay, guys, I have. Okay, so Hey. Okay, guys, I just finished doing my get ready with me video for TikTok. Now I'm a content creator. This is so funny. I have been wanting to make a video like mirror video, if that makes sense. Okay, so my sister and I wants to take some pictures. Oh yeah, please come and say hi. Be fast. Amida. Oh yeah. Come to this side now. Okay, guys. So don't believe any get ready with me video you see online, because we are all doing our get ready with me whenever we're comfortable. At least I did not say don't believe anybody, don't believe me. Okay, so peace out. Okay, it's the next day. We've done the cooking we want to do, and we have distributed the food to those that we want to give them to, and I'm just about to eat. I've been awake since 3 a.m. I did something prior, then I baked around 5:30, and I've just been in the kitchen standing like almost all day. So my siblings, I think they're going for one Eid picnic today, but I'm not going anywhere. I'll just rather sleep. And also I'm starting exams next week, so if I end up posting this week, you guys should pray for me that I pass my exams. And then what else? Let me show you what I'm about to eat. I'm usually eating almost the same thing as yesterday. I just ate, I think I ate once yesterday, so I'm just eating, but every time jollof rice. Stop, get out of my room.
I'm tired.
Get out of my room. So let me show you the food I'm eating now. Okay, so this is it, jollof rice. This is zobo, and I just have like, I think it's this like, it should be 1 liter of water also. So yeah. Achalugo, I must marry you.
Odogu, please.
I'm going to marry you.
You are going to be my wife.
I already know how it's going
Yes.
to end. I'm videoing you.
You're not going
I'm going to bathroom.